Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube. I picked up one of these turtle tray molds from Temu for about $3, and we're going to do a really fun Dollar Tree resin DIY. We're going to use Dollar Tree sand, some of their mica powder that comes with the resin, and some Dollar Tree resin. So I'm going to start first with a mold. I'm just using a small paintbrush and that mica powder from the Dollar Tree in a beautiful blue color. And I am just painting that on the spots. There's like a texture on the bottom of the tray dish. And so I just paint them all blue. I think that would be a really fun contrast. I'm going to try mixing Dollar Tree sand with Dollar Tree resin for the actual turtle. So I wanted to have a little bit variations in color. So I tried to clean up any excess mica powder that I got on there, just leaving it on the different parts of the sea turtle shell. And I'm going to use 4 packages, so 2 part A's, 2 part B's. They are 1-to-1 mixtures. They're available at Dollar Tree. I've been seeing them in Crafter Square. Right now, I just ordered yesterday a case of them online, which is a great way to get them. And I am just adding the Dollar Tree sand directly to the resin once I mixed it up. So it's just going to be a resin sand mixture. I want it to be fairly thick, so I added a little bit more. And I think this is going to be enough to fill up this silicone mold. And I just put it straight in there. I'm trying not to overfill the tray, but I do want it to be deep enough to actually form a tray that I can actually put things down into the turtle shell. So it did get some bubbles from the sand. I'm just going to get rid of those with a lighter. I'm just going to carefully burn those off. You can also try to use your heat gun. I left mine overnight, and let's see the results. Taking the mold off, what I found is it worked really well, and it's so beautiful, the mica powder. I did notice the sand sunk a little bit, so there is a little bit of a clear on the bottom of it. So I probably could have added more sand, but otherwise I love it. I'm actually using it next to my sink to hold my sponge for my coastal kitchen, and I love how it turned out. It's so fun. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach, and my website is craftybeach.net. Until next time, happy crafting.